high ticket appointment setting, a complete guide for 2020. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make 5 grand, 10 grand dollars every month consistently if you follow a roadmap by just using your phone and having some tonality in your voice. All you need to do, you need to ask few questions. You don't need to solve anything in your life. I know that few of them who are listening to this video, maybe they didn't solve anything in their life, but this will work for you. Why? Maybe in the mind you will be thinking that, Pranshu, I'm not good with sales. I didn't did any business earlier in my life. I completely get it. I never did, but it's booming right now in the current area, and you can easily do that thing in your life. And before you say I'm not a salesperson or I don't have a big calling right now, you don't need to. You just need a phone. You just need right knowledge. You just need to ask right questions in order to do that. In 2026, our whole world is flooded with the AI and the bot. They are trying to reach out to the business owners and other people, and people are really craving the human connection. Especially the gatekeepers, they are more smart. They know what to say and what type of bots are reaching out to them. And the people who are the actual decision makers, who are at the highest stake in the company, they are really craving the human connection and the help from the people, because everyone is using AI engines to generate some script to reach out to them by passing the gatekeeper. But the decision maker knows that that person is just giving a bluff. They don't know how this business works and how they can produce the result. They are just using AI generated. You don't need to use the same, but I will be letting you know that how you can do that. I spent almost 6 years in my life in that sales and social media marketing business, and I know the psychology of human brain, how human brain works, and how you can do this easily. So this is about appointment setting. Just like we all know that high ticket closing, high ticket service is the highest paying career you can ever have, but I am talking about the appointment setting, which is literally booming in 2026. And if you are not floating on this curve, then you are already losing more than 100 grand dollars every year, no matter you are a student or a person or a coach or an influencer. So coming to the foundation part, what is appointment setting really and how you can do that in your life. So first of all, you need to understand, whenever you are selling any high ticket service, that's not easily can be done to any person, because you need to be very selective in the market. So how does actually sales look like? We break out that part. You found a lead, you communicate with them, bring them on a discovery call, you diagnose what problems they are facing, and if they are a right fit for you, then you try to close them. If they don't close, you do a follow-up and bunch of things. So in the first part, when you search for a lead and book an appointment to a discovery call, that's what the part I'm telling you to do, because this is super easy. If you know right questions, if you know what type of leads you are chasing, if you know which type of business you are working in, what type of problems people usually face in this market, you can easily reach out to such people. You can easily use 1 or 2 openers, you can get them reply, and you can onboard them on a call, because an appointment setter get at least 5 to 10% from that lead. And I'm talking about the high ticket service. Let's suppose if that product is costing $5 grand, and we are talking about the 10% commission part, so you will be getting $500 straight away by just searching for a lead and making them come on a discovery call. That's it, nothing else. Let me talk from a doctor's perspective. So let's suppose you found a right doctor in your city and he's sitting in his clinic. So does he reach out to the ideal people that you need to come out to me? No, people start reaching out to them. They tell them that there's a problem we are facing and we need cure for that, and doctor says, yeah, I can sort this out, and this is the medication you need to get, and this is the surgery, whatever the things you need to get this done. So you are just doing the same. You are finding those leads, you are connecting them with the doctor, and that's the part you need to do. And if you can be consistent with them, you can easily make 10 grand to 20 grand dollars easily every month if you follow the right strategy and if you are conscious to work super seriously in that path. Coming to the second phase of this video, which is
thank you for being a part of this whole journey. If you really want to kick off your sales as well as business journey, and you are ready to take the next step to become a young millionaire or the first millionaire in your family, then subscribing will ensure you for your continuous learning and the right strategies, practical tips which will eventually kick off your business. So join us, a community of like-minded peoples as well as the folks who are nailing their journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. Let me know what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your sales journey in the comment section right now.
So second phase is right mindset, moving from beggar to the specialist side. Most of the beginners fail just because they are trying to overreach out the people. They are just trying to sell the stuff. They are just trying to beg that please come on the discovery call, please listen to our offers, please listen to our product or services, which is completely wrong. You need to act as a specialist who knows what he is doing. He knows what type of problems people are facing, and he is exactly reaching out to the people. So as an elite, you are detached from the feeling. If you are conversing with the people and they are having the same problems your product or services solves, that person is a right fit, you navigate them on a discovery call. But if that person is not facing those issues and they don't have that priority straight in their life, that this is not a priority for me to get resolved, they show them the door, because they know that prospect is anyways is not going to come on a discovery call or get that product or services to sort this issue out, because he doesn't look out that's a priority for them. So as an elite, you are emotionally detached. You know whom you need to work, whom whom you need to show the door, and that's how you command respect for yourself, for your business, and obviously for your character too. Because if a person who works with everyone, who listens to everyone, who take every shit in their head, that person usually degrade their life, and I don't want you to be that person. Till then, if you understand the concept, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Coming back to the third phase of this video, which is the lead source. There are plenty of the people who are using just AI scripts, and they're trying to reach out to the people in the message section. Obviously, most of them on Instagram and LinkedIn, and what they're trying to do is they are using those AI scripts. They are using those AI openers, and they are just sending the message, "Hey Pranshu, I saw your profile and you are struggling in sales. I also have some products in sales. Should I send a product review about that so you will purchase from me?" That's completely garbage. You need to stop looking for the leads. You need to stop looking for the people who are exactly suffering from the pain. Like suppose you are a person in a fitness industry who help people to do a weight loss and get 20 lbs muscle in the next 6 months. When you go through with someone's profile, they are trying to get better. They are eating meals. They are getting into the gym, but they are not getting that much muscle. They are doing weight loss, but they are not gaining that much muscle. You found out that part. You send, "Hey Sarah, I saw your profile. You are working too hard, and I'm glad that you are a person with having huge work ethic. But I saw that you are losing weight, but you are not gaining muscles along the way. So I recorded one 5-minute video why you are doing that and why you are not gaining muscle. Where should I send you? Will you ask for the permission here? No. You tell them you are suffering from some leakages or problems in your life. That's what the audit I did. Should I send there?" Once they understood that they are actually losing there, you can bring them on your call, discovery call, and close them. If you start giving prescription to the people, you understand you are the elite, you know what you are doing in your life and how you can help them out. That's what people need. Now coming to the fourth phase of this video, which is the script part, which I already told you kind of like that. So when you talk to a gatekeeper, there are almost 83% of the chances they already saw your message, because you are not alone in that market. There are plenty of people acting as your competition. They already use those AI scripts to reach out to them. So you need to understand what type of achievements they are trying to achieve in their life, what are the problems they are having in their life, and accordingly you create a personalized message to that person and send them just like, "Hey Sarah, I looked at your system as well as the business you are doing, and I saw there are plenty of leakages. That's why you are not gaining 7 clients consistently every month. So I recorded a short session, a short video about that. Do you want me to send it over?" If they say yes, you just send it over, and boom, you act as an elite. Now they understand you have hold the expertise in the industry. Now they will reach out to you. If they don't, you just need out to them that, "Farah, I saw that you saw my video and didn't revert it back. I saw that you are still struggling from the problem. So sorting this problem is still a priority for you or not?" If they say a priority, then you can keep engaging back in that conversation and bring them back on a call.
Hey, quick pause. If this value resonates with you and you are eager to learn the secrets of sales success and business success, subscribing this channel will ensure you never miss out the strategies to change your life, to change the path of your business. Join the community of go-getters, transform your life, subscribe to my channel, and turn on all notifications so you can achieve the sales transformation as well as the business transformation.
So coming to the fifth phase of this video, which is writing prices. This is not a mistake you need to do in your life. I did that for almost 2.5 years in my career, and I struggled a lot because that completely fucked up my mental health, and I was completely triggered that whenever I got a notification, I got triggered whether that prospect is going to purchase from me or not. So you need to be super conscious about the asset which is most valuable in your life, which is your time. So whenever you are interacting with any person, you need to redirect them to fill the form, which will be having around 3 to 5 questions, and understand if they are not filling that form, then how that person will be more serious in their life. If a person who can't take out 5 to 10 minutes in their life to fill out a form having 3 to 5 questions illustrating about the current status of their business, how you can understand that person is really serious to solve this problem? They are not. If a person is really struggling from such and such problems you are solving, and you show them that I will be helping you out before, you just need to fill out that form. If they fill out the form, they are the right candidate. You need to interact with them and spend your time for their discovery call and the other thing. But if that prospect is not able to fill up that form and just ignoring you, that person does not belongs to you, does not belong to your mentorship program. So just leave them on the table. Be very selective with your time, whom you are interacting, and that's how you will be becoming a high ticket appointment setter super soon. Now coming to the last part of this video, success in 2026 is not about putting more hours of work on the table. It's about building a right system which will give you leads, which will give you right clients in your business, and which will also help you to build a right content strategy, so you don't have to dwell what should I post more, what should I do to get more leads, what should I do to convert more clients, what should I say to get them on my discovery call, what should I say to close them, and what should I say to follow up so they will never ghost me. But before that, subscribe this channel and like this video. I just want to understand what industry you are working in, so I can create dedicated videos in the future about fitness industry and other industries you are working in. So whatever the challenges you are facing in terms of clients, in terms of personal branding, I will be sorting those out. So let me know in the chat section which industry you are working and what type of problems you are facing. Let me know right away. So coming back to the topic, there are plenty of people, almost 92% people who are showcasing that they have that amount of followers, they are getting that amount of comments on their social channels, but they are still not getting that much results. I know that thing because I was in that loop too. Maybe you are in that loop where you are showcasing you have everything, you have results, but deep down you know you are not getting those clients consistently. And if you are really serious to build a high ticket offer or to scale your business using personal branding and high ticket sales in next 45 to 90 days, then there is a link in my bio, which is campsite.bio/Pranshu. Now you can book a session 1-to-1 with me. Before that, I want you to fill a form, which is a 15-minute form. You can just click on that bio link and you will be getting form in the first link. Just fill that form. I will be reaching out to you. I will be giving you short audit about where the exact leakage is in your business. You are the right candidate who really want to solve XYZ problems in your career, and I will be helping you out for the thing. But before that, you need to understand, without a right content strategy, you always fail. If you really want to make a personal brand which will keep filling your bank account every month with $20 grand, then you need to watch out this video in which I told you how you can use content creation, content strategy to generate a lot of money organically. Watch out this video right now.